Welcome, my name is Tiki Hiki. Today we have a special guest named Jack. So, Jack, how are you?
Ow! Abuse!
How are you? How are you?
I'm hurt.
So what? I don't know what to ask you anymore. How is your life going?
Why am I on the show?
Because nobody watches my show, and people will watch it if you're on my show. So just talk.
Ow! I'm sorry.
And we will be back. Ow!
I'm sorry.
Hair! You can attach it to your head and it can be long or short. It can, wait. Short? Okay.
It can go in any style.
Wait. And we're back! So Jack, tell us about your YouTube channel.
Channel? It's on the internet, yo.
Well, you know
How
what?
clueless are you?
Yeah.
Ow! Security!
Tell us about your YouTube account. And we'll be back.
Propel!
Hair!
No, we're talking about propel.
No, we're talking about hair.
You can put propel on.
Oh yeah. 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 Woo! Okay. Whoa! Okay, well, we're back. And and good night. Are you still typing? She's still typing!